With the Olympics underway, I thought it was time that I turn this graphic into a motion graphic template that you can use in Adobe Premiere. And what you're going to need to make sure you can see inside Adobe Premiere is go up to Window and go to Graphics Templates. So that this will show up here, you need to be able to see your graphic templates as well as your properties. After you've gone over here and installed your motion graphics template into Adobe Premiere, you can go ahead and click and drag this over your footage. It is processor intensive, so that's why it's kind of showing up blurred here. If I pause it, you'll see it is very clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this motion graphic template, come up here to properties. Here I have all of my attributes and properties. So I can come in here, I can even change this event icon over here, and I can change the Olympic icon as well. And all you have to do is click and drag this up into here. And then you can go inside here and choose a different way, like fit to frame, stretch to frame, or even just scale it down to fit. Now I'm going to undo that. And of course you can do the same with the Olympic icon as well. Now here is where we can come in and we can rename this to anything we want, any event, or maybe this is, I like to have it all capitalized. I think it looks better. You can change the font and the font size. And you can also change the text color. So if you just want white, you can change this to white, or really any color we would like. Now this banner color allows me to change the overall hue of this. If I want a little bit different color style, I can also bring down the saturation. Just going to undo that. And now we're going to go to line 1. And yes, you can even change this to say, to have a different number, just get rid of it altogether. And then this is where you can go in and you can change your country. And of course, just like you can also change the size of your font as well, and your typeface. And then each one of these they're identical. They just deal with the next lines. So, and then to change the flag, now it's recommended you have a 500 by 281 pixel flag. I will provide a folder full of not every country, but it should have all of the countries competing in the Olympics, including an Olympic flag. All you have to do is click and drag this flag over and right on top of there, and it fills in. In this case, we would do this flag and then come down here, and then the animation is all updated. And then the other cool thing about this motion graphic template is you can, if you need it to last more than 10 seconds, you can just click and drag to extend this, and then the animation will occur over the last few seconds. And the opening animation will only be the first few seconds. So you can dynamically adjust the duration. And the fun thing about this is you can really make this, it doesn't even have to be countries or the Olympics, it can be fictional, whatever use you find for it.